Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So for this reading passage, we will be doing, we have already done MCQs and which section contains the following information in part 1 and part 2 for the same reading. And now we will be doing this true false not given. For this full reading, we will try to find the location, but this is third type of question. So I will tell you how to find the location of these last type of true false not given. Okay, let's start it. And for MCQ, for different kind of MCQs, like for one question, one number, you have to select two options. It means if something is wrong, if one option is wrong, your answer is wrong. If both options are right, then you will get 1 mark. So in previous video, like in part 2 for this Australia's giant lost giants, you can just watch this MCQ. Now let's start with true false not given. So here, as we know, we have already read this paragraph with me, and of course true false not given. I will tell you first. So I will tell you first how to do true false not given. So we will just read the question statement and try to understand its meaning. Now come out with the keyword strategy, means 1 or 2 keyword you should find out. With the help of that keyword, you can go to the location in the passage. So like this is my keyword. This keyword will take us to the location, because this keyword they can't change. This is person's name. This is megafauna. This is also, they will take us to the location. Now after getting the location, please read the full sentence, and in fact where you have got the location, the sentence before also, that sentence after also, so that you can just accommodate the meaning also. It doesn't mean the same sentence structure you will get it. No, here it is like a small sentence structure. They have just combined 2-3 sentences. Just mind it, they always do combination of 2-3 sentences, so that you have to you can get confused. Okay, so wherever you get location, with the help of keywords, read it thoroughly. 2-3 sentences after, suppose this is the location of my information, then read the 1 or 2 sentences above and read the 2-3 sentences, sentence structure, not lines. Now in what situation it is going to true? When there is sufficient evidence. If there is sufficient evidence to support this person's idea about this megafauna extinction, then means some proof he had given and something like that, some research he had done, then it is true. And there is less evidence, there is no clue to support, then it is contradiction. Okay, and if they are not talking about any evidence, whether this person idea, whether this person had found megafauna extinction reasons and all, his ideas and all, then not given. Okay, so first I will just, now yes, I was telling you this is third type of question. Now we have read full paragraph. Already we know this person's location in initial paragraphs, but we will try to find the locations from the first paragraph. Okay, but we know, if you know the location of this person's name, then it's good. Those who have not watched it, I am just showing it. This when we were doing first and second type of question, I have done my homework with underlining or circle the important things. So I have not done full black page. Okay, but I am thinking that these are important words, that's why I have done it. So I am looking for that person name. So here you can see this person name is here. Person name is easy to find because of capital letters always used. Okay, in these 2 paragraphs, no Tim person name is not there. Now in this paragraph you can see this Tim Flannery. Okay, so we were looking for this person's name only. Now let's find out what they are asking, because we have already read out. Now we were looking for, there is sufficient evidence to support Tim Flannery's ideas about megafauna extinction. Okay, to be sure, Australia has been drying out. Okay, so they were talking about extinction from here, but this period was not complete on the continent retained its area. It is confounding to witness the melancholy of Australia's large animal for quite a long. Researchers put aside any other causes put aside any other causes for extinction other than environmental changes. To be sure, Australia has been drying out for more than this years, and the megafauna were confronted with this. Tim Flery, an Australian philanthropist, proposed that people who moved onto continent around 15 centuries ago used fire to hunt. This was accompanied by deforestation. Something worrisome occurred to Australia's predominant not long after introduction. The controversy over megafauna revolves around the methods for dating. No, there is sufficient evidence is not there to support actually. Ideas about megafauna, everything is there. To be sure, another person is saying, to be sure, that Australia had been drying out for more than and all. So confounding to witness. So this word is saying something, and this person is that people proposed. He had just proposed, not confirmed. That's why it is false. Sometimes we need to understand the meanings of actually. So evidence, sufficient evidence to support thing is not there. That's why it is. But yes, everything they have explained about megafauna extinction, his ideas. That's why it is not given. It is false only. Now 11th, extinct megafauna should receive more attention than extinction of the dinosaur. Okay, extinct megafauna should receive more attention than. So dinosaur was there in another paragraph. Okay, let's the controversy buried. Okay, here there couple thousands of human. No, but here extinction of megafauna is there, but we are looking for dinosaur also. See this, extinction of dinosaur, extinct megafauna, so nothing is there. Let's move to next paragraph. So here also they are not talking about, because we have, you can read it, I am just showing it to you. We have to look about extinction of megafauna should receive more attention than extinction of dinosaur. So dinosaur, it is also not there. Dinosaur they were talking about here. So this person is saying, examined the caves in the area and gave Richard on British paleontologist who was recognized later for unraveling the existence of dinosaur extinct. This cave were found in this haphazard. Okay, so here also they are not talking about what should be extinct megafauna should receive more attention than extinction of dinosaur. I think let's finish this F paragraph, then we will read A paragraph again. And here also, is there any comparison that megafauna should be given? So here they are talking about climate, earth and all, Australia's another site which seems, I am just giving you time so that you can just find out the answer. Nothing is given according to my here, nothing is given about that it should be given more preference. So let's read first paragraph also, because in F nothing is there. As I told you, in A paragraph somewhere they were talking about dinosaurs. So let's read it. Considering the amount of light cast on extinction of dinosaurs, it's surprising that a little has been discovered about megafauna. See this, same thing is there. That's why here you can get answers. You have, because you are doing last type of question. So writer knows that you have read all the paragraph. That's why here it is given the location. Considering, so now you decide what is this, whether it is true, false or not given. So extinct megafauna, about megafauna should receive more attention than extinction of dinosaur. Considering the amount of light cast means highlight on the extinction of dinosaur, it's surprising that a little has been discovered about megafauna. It means he is saying right that this should receive more attention than extinction of this, then it means true. Now this, the Aborigines should have found a more effective way to protest about flammary books. Okay, Aborigines. So Aborigines were we were talking about, I think somewhere I have read aborigines in next C paragraph. Let's, so aborigines, if I am not getting, then Flannery books, Flannery is here. So let's read it, what he is saying about aborigines, because here aborigines, if aborigines is here, then in this paragraph only I am looking for the keyword. This was a comment by Deforestation Australia's predominant land animal, somewhere about 46,000. Introduction. The controversy over megaphone methods. Now again something is different. So here now you decide whether they are talking about, because I have not read this word in this full passage. Aborigines should have found a more effective way to protest against this. So no protest is also there. See this. So of course this is not given. Okay, now 13th number, there are problems with Paul Martin's. So Paul Martin's blizzard hypothesis for the Americas. Okay, so this name just we came across in previous paragraph. You already have done previous part 1 and part 2 with me, that's why we are doing it fastly. So here I can see this same word here, and Paul Martin is here. So now there are some problems. Now decided whether what is this, true or false or not given. There are problems. So are there any problem? This named Paul Martin published hypothesis known as this hypothesis in 60 modern people caused choice. There are problems with Paul Martin's hypothesis for the Americas. Okay. So this is given that he had just revealed this hypothesis in 1960. Modern people cause choice in the, so in next line, modern people cause choice in the Americas by killing animals with spear. These animals had never been seen a smart predator before, so they couldn't defend. But this period of extinction was not complete on the continent. So here they have started talking about something else. They are not talking any problem with this hypothesis. It means this is also not given. Thank you so much.